Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get a refund from your Apple ID. So guys, the first step is go to your any browser and just type in this website, apple.com. And once you type that in, you'll be led to this page over here. All you need to do is just scroll all the way down till you find this Apple Store and go to the bottom till you find shopping help. Once you tap on it, now you'll see this page is over here. You can see this option that says returns and refunds. So to get a refund, you just need to tap on this option. And now you'll be shown Apple's refund policies and how you can get a refund. It says that once they receive your item, a refund is initiated immediately. So guys, all you need to do is just keep calm and wait for them to send you a refund. And if you still haven't received a refund, you can just contact Apple and request for a refund personally. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.